This would set off any bag, guys. Hey, my white tea family, welcome back. I promised you guys that I was going to give you a reveal of the bag that I got for Mother's Day 2021. I always get new bags for Mother's Day. Now, the crazy thing is I have not been carrying them. I feel so bad about that. So now I'm starting to wonder if that tradition kind of needs to go out the window if I'm not going to really utilize the bags. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'll be so hype about a bag and then I just carry something else. So I don't know why I do that. But anyway, this bag is trending. It is hot. The moment I saw it, I was like, OMG. I was on my no more bag spree, calming down on the shopping spree, and then boom, this little pink devil rolled up on this thing and killed it. This bag comes in several colors. You guys have seen it all over, probably Instagram. I don't know. I don't really be on Instagram like that, so I haven't seen it on Instagram, but I'm sure it's on there. Definitely YouTube. Last night I was up late watching, catching up on some of my favorites, some of my girls' videos, and I came across some of videos on this bag and I was like, oh snap, let me see. So let me check them out or whatever. But I have had her now ready go on 2 weeks. So I was like, okay, let me go ahead, do my little reveal and get her in use. I got to get her in cycle. I have to introduce her to all of her little cousins. So she's going to be replacing somebody for the summer. Okay, without further ado, if you want to see the bag of my choice for Mother's Day, I feel so blessed because let's just get into the bag. The bag that's trending and popping and the color that I chose, if you know me, you know what I chose. It is the boom, damn, Coach Tabby. The Coach Pillow Tabby. Lord have mercy. This is like no other in my collection. I took her all the way out of the boxes and stuff so that you guys could not have to worry about, but I still have the strap wrapped up, but I didn't want to go through all of the unboxing stuff, but I just wanted to keep her protected until I actually feel like utilizing her. So I'm trying to get the light so that it is... so you can actually see. Is it drowning it out? I think it is. It's kind of drowning it out. So let's see what we can do. I really need to be filming this on my camera, but I don't feel like waiting for it to charge up. But she is a beauty. This is the Taffy color. It has the gold hardware. I'm so in love with the bag charm mostly. I love the fact of how squishy and thick it is. I absolutely not. I sell a lot of my bags. I've sold a lot of my bags. I will not ever sell her. This will stay in my collection for a very, very, very long time. This bag is the $500 price range. It's $495, and of course, by the time they add their taxes, you're up to like $535. This is the largest one that they make right now in the Pillow Tabby. They do have a mini. I could not even imagine utilizing the mini because this is small enough, but just get into the details of it. If you haven't seen other videos, you can definitely check it out here. I love the large C trimmed in the gold. It's super cute. I got it as a statement bag. I wanted a statement bag, and I actually was fed up with Louis Vuitton. I'm just so tired of, we don't have this, we don't have that. And on top of that, then when I get the piece, the stitching and stuff is not right. So I just, they on punishment right now, just put it that way. But anyhow, I think I'm going to do a what's in my bag, but I wanted you all to see just how thick and puffy she is. She is so super cute. Like, if you need a statement bag, this is it. The next one, I'm not sure. I'm thinking about getting the one, the emerald green is super cute to me. I love, love, love the emerald green. This is the crossbody strap here. And I'm going to go ahead and get that off and then also show you some little trinkets that I have to go with it that I already had. I already had this stuff to go with some other bags that I did a video on for you guys. And then, oh, okay, hubby says coffee's ready, so your girl gotta go. But yeah, I had these little accessories to go with other bags that I did a video on for you guys. So I have to tape that, but one of them is perfect for this, and people have actually been showing it as well with theirs. So I was like, wow, well, look at this. So, and it is a bag chain, but let me go ahead and get all of this garbage off and out. Okay, so I have taken her out of the bag. This is the Crossbody Style. And I'm not really dressed, so sorry about that. But you can also elongate it and make it a little bit longer if you want. She's super cute. And then let me go ahead and show you with the other shorter strap, the top handle strap. Okay, and here she is with just the top handle strap here. Again, this is the Coach Pillow Taffy bag. I absolutely love this. Probably would be my favorite way to carry her. Look at that, just so cute. Oh, it even goes with my little Coach bracelet, huh? I like that a lot. Wow, I really love that. I didn't even think about that when I did this today. Yep, absolutely love her with that. And I'm sorry if the light is blinding it out or dulling her out. No feet. Like I said, I cannot imagine the mini because this is the 26 size, so I'm just like, wow. I think the other one's the 18. Like, what is it? Just like, you just literally would have to put all travel size everything in her. But just so soft. Oh my goodness, a real pillow for real. And it snaps so easy. Just look at that. Love that. And that's what you want when you're spending upwards of $500 on your bags. This is the inside. So as you can see, now I have a whole basket of I want to say, I think these are Ted Baker's, but I have little pink things over here. This I've been having for years, this Victoria's Secret lippy pouch. I used to keep coins in it. I haven't carried it in probably 2 years. It does not go with this per se because this is more of a coral, this taffy color. This is brand new. I had this for 2 years, haven't opened it. This is gorgeous. Haven't opened this in 2 years either. I got them together. I'm thinking about selling them. This is a brand new Coach wallet as well. It goes with another Coach bag that I have not opened up, but I could use that. That would be pretty. I could use this. Let's get close enough. As the wallet in here. I could choose to use that. And let's see if it'll fit. I'm thinking about selling it because, like I said, I've had this and the bag that goes with it for 2 years and I haven't used it yet because of COVID, and then I just moved on to something else. So it does fit in there nice and comfortably. I'll see if I'm going to use that. I also have a brand new Tory Birch wallet, and I've had that. It's in the pink family is the only reason why I'm showing you. I had this for 2 years. Still have not worn this, but it's a lighter pink, but it actually looks cute. It's a blush. It does complement this, so that's a little cutie as well. Look at that. And it's long, so it will fit perfectly in here, and it's slender. See how slender it is? So I also could do that because I'm not looking for everything to be exactly this color. but we'll see. I don't know. I don't really like doing the roll calling thing. Matching brands too much. So I may just pair it with that Coach wallet if I don't decide to put it on my Poshmark store. I'm not really sure. So I'll put that over there. I have some other stuff there. This also came with the dust bag. I always keep my dust bags, but let me show you the stunning part about this bag, which is this bag with the gold, the thick gold chain. OMG. Whew, it's to die for. Okay, as I said, I have this for some other bags, but I keep it in here to protect it. So I'm just gonna pull it out. I used to keep it wrapped, but look how gorgeous and heavy she is. Trust me, when I put it on different bags, I've used it on my NCM bag. It's a game changer. It truly is a game changer. Here's the beauty. Just look at that. Oh my God, this is stunning. 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 This is your end all be all. Oh, when you go out, what? Even men will ask about this bag for real. Like, this is super, super cute. And this is how to make your bag stand out. Yes, other people are doing it, but they are so far away from you, it does not matter. It's not like it's your neighbor, you know? So definitely invest in this chain. Even if you do not have this bag, I am telling you, invest in this chain just for your other bags, to switch them up, to get a different look. Let me see if I could kind of tone it down a little bit and see if that helps. But just look at the beauty of that. Gorgeous. And like I said, it's all across YouTube, so I'm pretty sure you guys have seen other people with it and rocking it with this and styling it with this, but it is absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. This was definitely worth breaking the no buy for, you know? Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Happy Mother's Day. I'm happy. I always am happy on Mother's Day. I must say, hubby and my daughter and my brother and my mom, they always just go above and beyond. They really do. And it's more about the time than the gifts, but I love the gifts. And then I was thinking about putting this on there. I have it on my Speedy, but this little twirly, but I don't know. It's a different pink, so let me see real quick. And that'll further jazz it up. Okay, here she is with the twilly, and I do like it with the twilly, so I may rock her with that just for it to stand out, because I'm sure, you know, I will enter a room at some point and someone else will have her, but it will be a great feeling to have mine a little more decorated, you know, but not doing too much, because it already has this large tag here, which would be nice to add to a keychain, but because this costs too much for that, I definitely would not do that. It's part of what makes this bag, so I would not take that off. But this is a close-up of what it looks like with the little twirly. And then again, I could also rock it without it as well. All right, ladies, thank you so much. This is my Happy Mother's Day, one of my Mother's Day gifts. The nicest purchase, I would say. Well, money is never a bad thing, you know, but at least I have money to put into something brand new. I am super, super loving this. You ever just get a bag and it just does it for you? This just does it for me. This is such a statement piece. I don't even really want to wear it dressed down though, because it's so super cute. Like, I do want to throw on a little something. So my hubby's birthday is Saturday. We have dinner reservations and some other things planned. So, and I think I'm going to take him on a horse ride. Oh, he's telling me he could bring up the coffee for me. No, I'll just go down because Joshua will come up as well. But let me wrap this up, guys. But I think I'm going to take him on a carriage ride. What do you guys think? I have to be careful because sometimes we watch these videos. I have to be careful. Sometimes he let it slip out like he knew about some things, you know? So I don't know, but that would be cute on the carriage ride as well, right? Having this and having on the little cute fit. So yes, this is definitely going to be going out on Saturday night. She is coming out on the month of the Gemini, darling. So yes, I'm absolutely in love with it. Thanks for hanging out with me, and make sure you stay tuned. I will be doing, of course, a what's in my bag once I get ready to pack her. I just have to decide which let me see, that even go, if I want to do like these pink colors with it or do something closer to the taffy color, but I kind of like this contrast right here, so I may do something like that. But I have to come up with a decision on what accessories I'm going to put inside, because I don't want to pack a lot. I don't want to make her bulge or anything like that. And because the chain is weighty, I don't want to weigh her down. So this is really going out or going to brunch bag. You're not trying to carry nothing in the kitchen with you that day. Nothing in the kitchen, ladies. All right, ladies, thanks for hanging out with me. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, all of that jazz. Let's get in these comments and talk about this bag. Do you think this bag is worth the $500? Do you think it is a statement piece for you? It could be or it could not be. But if you have it, I guess it would make more sense for you to make a comment about it because you would know, you know. All right, I look forward to your comments and interacting with you guys. Welcome to all my new subbies. I hope I said hello. If I have not, hello. I am the Jersey Girl for life. I am a Jersey girl and I'm here chilling in Atlanta. So I hope to meet some of you sometime. I have met a few of you and it's been a pleasure, but I do look forward to meeting more of you and having more and more friendships. I've been really enjoying it. Really enjoying it. Some fun ladies on here, especially about these ladies about these bags. I'm telling you, it's something about the camaraderie, you know? All right, gotta go, but I'll see you on the next video. Bye. I'm sorry, I didn't tell you guys. Make sure you be better to yourself today than you were yesterday. Bye. Yeah.